And what size these is? 24?
You know that dude, man, came past the house. Man, motherfucker ain't waving nothing.
What year is it? What year is it, Ed?
09.
09 Cadillac Escalade. 24-inch Snowflake wheels. Clean. Step house truck, man. Just got it cleaned up. Crispy white headlights. I know it's not the typical content, man, Chevy content, but it'll work.
He got a Sundown in there too, Jay.
You know? Let me see. Chrome door handles.
You want to see some? Play that.
Yeah, go ahead, open it up.
You gotta grab his key.
This 9 don't look bad, huh? What they saying about what? 2013, 14?
15. No, 14.
This model right here?
Yeah, they changed it.
Not bad for a 2009, man. You know what I like on it the most, man? I like the black, how the black and the chrome go together. You know what I mean? Black tire, chrome wheel, chrome handle, black tint, all original. He needed to get that black trimmer.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That black trimmer stuff. It had that banging.
Yeah. That's stuff I had in the garage.
You probably got some in the garage.
Yeah, back to black. And they make it, but sometimes that shit be making it slippery.
Yeah, it'll make it slippery for sure. For sure. It's gonna make it oily. It look good though, don't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Got the Equinox right here. There's nephews. Got the smoke gray Equi.
Man, that motherfucker flying. Oh yeah. It ain't gonna throw that tire stuff up on that because it's sitting for a while. You know what I mean?
Brother-in-law, say what's up, man?
What up, though?
My big brother right there, man. Got a Range Rover right here. This is my auntie's.
That's Tony truck over there.
Which one? Oh, gee, what's that? Acadia?
2019 Terrain.
Terrain? We're finna go check it out. Range Rover, nice, man. Auntie pulling up in this thing. Hey, I'm finna do, hold on, Ed, before you turn it on, I gotta do that in a separate video, because they gonna flag it.
Oh, you can't,
the music, yeah, the music, they gonna flag it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get it in a separate video than this one. Nice Range Rover. A little girly, sporty look. Something for a woman. All right, we finna end the video and let y'all hear these sounds on the Cadillac.